My name's Aaron Massey from MrFixItDIY.com, and welcome back to another episode of Homeschooled. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can easily install a water filter for your home to remove contaminants from your drinking water. This episode is brought to you by Survivor Filters, who generously supplied the filtration systems that you'll be seeing me install today. Survivor Filter carries a wide range of water filters, whether you're at home or on the go, so you can quickly transform water from contaminated to clean in just a matter of minutes. Whether you're on a well or on town or public water, having clean water is essential for you and your family's safety and everyday tasks. Many people don't know what contaminants are present in their drinking water, whether it's bacteria, lead, corrosion from old pipes, or just something that makes your drinking water taste a little funky. Installing a water filtration system in your home can go a long way to adding peace of mind to you and your family that you're drinking the highest quality possible water on a daily basis. I rate these projects by how many F-bombs you're likely to drop while tackling the project. This one is pretty easy. What's great about the Survivor Filter options is that they have both larger size systems for use in higher usage areas like kitchens and smaller systems for use in less used areas like bathroom sinks, and all their in-home systems are manufactured here in the United States. So today I'll show you how you can easily install both systems. First, we'll start with the larger system for the kitchen, which is called the Max Filter system. It's a two-stage system that removes 95% of fluoride and 99.9% of lead, chlorine, volatile organic compounds, toxic chemicals, and heavy metals, while leaving the essential minerals in your drinking water. The first step is to clean out the area under the sink that you'll be working in. We tend to keep a lot of cleaning stuff and clutter under there, so get everything out of the way so you have a nice place to work. Next, you'll want to find an area to mount the filter bracket. Now, this can be the wall or the inside of the cabinet or wherever you're working. The system comes with attached water lines, so find a location that's within reach of the water lines, or if you don't have a space available, you can purchase a longer set of lines to put it elsewhere. Mount the included bracket to the side of the cabinet or wall with the included screws and a drill or a screwdriver. From there, turn the valve off for the cold water line at the valve on the wall or at the nearest supply valve for that sink. If you don't have a valve anywhere, you can shut off the main water line for the house if you have to. Next, turn on the faucet and let the excess water in the line drain out. From there, disconnect the outlet hose line from the valve body, but leave the other end connected to the faucet. Then connect the inlet line for the filter system in its place with some thread tape and an adjustable wrench. The inlet side has a threaded female nut on it and is on the left side as you're looking at it. If you have different size outlet lines on your water valves, you may need to purchase an adapter to fit. The water lines included on the system are 3/8 inch. Next, install the outlet hose to the bottom of your supply line running to the faucet. If you choose to, you can get rid of that line and just connect directly from the filter to the faucet, but that's up to you. Use a pair of adjustable wrenches to make sure you get a nice tight seal. From there, turn the water valve back on and check the system for leaks. Once you've verified that there are no leaks, you're good to go and you can run 5,000 gallons of water before you need to replace the Stage 1 filter, which is about 1.5 years, and 8,000 gallons of water through the Stage 2 filter before it needs to be replaced. My wife and I have used a Brita for clean drinking water for years, but it gets pretty annoying when someone forgets to refill it, or you need more than it holds for cooking or whatever. At one point, we had an old reverse osmosis system installed, but you could always hear the water running from it because in order for them to work, they have to use between 4 and 7 gallons of water to produce 1 gallon of consumable drinking water. So there's a lot of waste involved, and as someone who is environmentally conscious, it's not something that I'm really interested in. With this system, we've got on-demand filtered cold water without additional waste or complex installation. Next, I'm going to show you the Pure 10K inline filtration system, which is perfect for the bathroom. The Pure 10K is similar in that it removes 99.9% of contaminants, including chlorine, lead, volatile organic compounds, sediment, pesticides, fuel residue, and chloroform, all while leaving essential minerals in your drinking water. This system's great for bathrooms or as an inline filter for a refrigerator water line or something similar. Installation is really similar to the larger unit. First, you'll want to clear out under the cabinet and find a spot to mount the included mounting bracket and install it with the included screw. Next, turn off the cold water supply line at the valve, turn on the faucet and drain any remaining water in the line, then disconnect the outlet line at the valve. You may get a little bit of dripping here, so it's good to have a towel on hand if you can. From there, connect the inlet line on the filter to the cold water valve and connect the other end to the water line for the faucet using thread tape and adjustable wrenches. Again, if you choose to, you can go straight from the filter to the faucet if you have enough space. Lastly, turn the water valve back on, check for leaks, and you're good to go. As the Pure 10K name suggests, this system has the capacity to filter 10,000 gallons of water before you need to replace the filter, so it should last at least 2.5 years in a small bathroom like this. So that's it for this video. I hope it showed you guys how you can easily get clean drinking water for you and your family. If you're not sure what type of water your house has, I have a post on my website on how you can easily do a DIY water test to see what potential contaminants are in your water and see if installing a filter system is even needed for you. In my house, many of the old pipes are galvanized steel, and so there are areas of my home where the water pressure is lower than others, and in some cases, the water can actually be a little brown when it turns on. I've replaced many of the water lines in areas of the home that I've remodeled, but many of the trunk lines and the supply lines in the kitchen that I haven't remodeled yet are still galvanized. I also want to say a quick thank you to Survivor Filter for sending over the filters that you saw me install in this video, and encourage you guys to check out their full line of water filtration systems. Not only do they have these systems for your home, but they also have outdoor and on-the-go systems that are perfect for backpacking, camping, fishing, hunting, or really any outdoor activity that has you on the move. And they're designed to be environmentally friendly. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and leave a comment down below and let me know. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of the new content I put out. And as always, you can find all my DIY home improvement and repair projects on my website at MrFixItDIY.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.